In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo card decline. So if your card is actually declining, maybe it's in store or online, that may be a problem on your Venmo account. So for this, I have in here this actual questions on why your actual decline or your actual payment has been declined. Maybe because you have insufficient funds in your account, or if you have internet or technical problems, or your card issuer or bank declined the payment, if you have actually exceeded your payment, as well as you have incomplete, outdated, or unverified account information, or if your account is locked or frozen, you have exceeded per transaction limit, or if you have suspicious activity or high volume transaction. So they actually have a lot of reasons why your card has been declined. So if in here, if it actually persists, what you can do is you can head over and then fix the core problem. So it depends on the error code that you will have. So if you have specific error codes right here, just make sure to look for it and then make sure that you have your account up to date, check your connection, confirm recipient details and the likes. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.